Anthropic just relaunched Claude Fable 5 and it's their most capable model yet. But right now everyone is making the same mistake. Don't get me wrong, Claude Fable 5 is good at thinking, but at generating things it's not that great. When you ask Claude to give you a video, it actually can't do this, so this is where Higgsfield comes into the play. And today we're fixing that by giving Claude Fable 5 the hands to do the videos. And I'm gonna show you how you can actually connect the Higgsfield MCP through Claude and how you can generate insane video ads and everything inside your Claude chat interface. How cool is that? So let's just get started. So first I just hopped on the Higgsfield AI and I just clicked on this section which is MCP and CLA. So if I want to connect it to my cloud, I would just click on this cloud button. Then I would go to here and see that I have to copy the Higgsfield URL code. So I just have to copy this code. Then I'm gonna bring it back to the cloud and we have to go to connectors. So you just click on this plus button, you go on connectors, you go on add a connector, and here's this thing. You don't have to click on browse connectors because if you actually do, you will not find it because they don't have it here. You have to add your custom connector. So it's pretty simple, just go to custom connector, just paste that in, and you can name it, for example, like Higgsfield. And once it's done, all you have to do is just click on add. So I clicked on add, and as you can see, nothing happened. So there I go to manage connectors, and there's this, Higgsfield. So I just have to click on connect. Now it's gonna connect through my Gmail account, as you can see. I'm just gonna go allow it, that's fine. And now once I go into manage connectors and I have connected it, as you can see, Higgsfield is working and the status is correct. So once it's done, we can actually find it in here. If you go to connectors, and as you can see, Higgsfield is on here. So that actually took us less than 1 minute and we already have this extension. So what we can actually do with this? So I'm just gonna give Claude a thing. So I'm just gonna paste the prompt. And what I'm saying, using Higgsfield MCP, I want to initiate a vidstream workflow, identify highly profitable top spending meta ad niche that currently relies heavily on static photo ads. And I want it to do so, stimulate a batch of free static ad frameworks for a brand in that niche. Then orchestrate the Higgsfield image and video models to generate 3 distinctive high converting video variations for them. So I'm just gonna paste that prompt in. And of course you need to select the high effort for the Fable 5 and let's just push that in. So now it will actually understand that we are requesting the Higgsfield MCP because I mentioned this in the first sentence. So whenever you want to use Higgsfield, just always say that you want Higgsfield MCP. So Claude will actually always understand this. And let's take a look at what it's doing. And it's loading Higgsfield tools and pulling the vidstream workflow instructions. And how cool is that? We can already see the Higgsfield logo and we just need to click on allow. So we can relax and chill while it's doing all the work for us, and it's gonna generate 3 distinctive high converting video variations for those brands. And I also specifically mentioned to do 1 UGC style clip, 1 cinematic TV spot, and 1 high energy wildcard, so you can actually see all of the results in live right here. So I'm just gonna get back to you. I'm just gonna allow all of these things, and I'm gonna show what we were able to actually get from this prompt. So guys, it's almost done and let's just take a look at this. As you can see, it's completely finished and what was actually happening inside my cloud chat. So first it generated 3 different variants. So this was the first one, my skin. It actually chose a skincare brand. Then it generated this photo for the TV ad and it generated this for meta ad static. So now it generated the 3 videos. So if you move further, we can actually see the videos. So let's just play the videos. So this was for the UGC.
4 weeks, 1 dropper a day. That's it.
As you can see, it looks super realistic and it actually even talks and everything just feels so smooth. Then if we move further, this is the cinematic luxury TV commercial.
Glow is a science.
It actually even looks smoother. And if we go further, we can see this ad for the meta. How cool is that? It actually generated these in under 2 minutes inside my cloud interface. I didn't even have to go to Higgsfield. I didn't even have to do hard prompting. I just gave my simple commands and it actually understood me quite well. And I can always also regenerate the video. I can predict the virality and I can just download it in a single button. That's it. All 3 videos are done. So let's just try it out again. Let's give it another prompt. So in this prompt, I'm gonna say, now let's just run an agency killer workflow for a sleep supplement brand, orchestrate full month of creative deliverables, and generate 3 static image ads, script and render 2 UGC style videos, write accompanying email copy, and stimulate an analytics report. Ship all creatives directly into this chat. So let's just give this agency killer workflow and see what it actually can do. So right now it's running and I can't be more amazed. This one is pretty simple, right? Okay, nothing too serious. But if we move further, this one just looks like the best working meta ads you can see. You always see these inside your Facebook, for example, because these meta ads are killers. And if we move further, this one looks also so good. Just imagine seeing this on some Instagram reel or something. This just looks so good and I would actually buy onto this ad. So now it's generated the images and it's now moving on to generating the videos as we requested. So this is just a killer agency workflow because no one can actually match your speeds if you're using this MCP. So guys, it's done in less than 2 minutes and let's just take a look at what it actually gave me. So as you can see, we got all of these. So these were the static ads as I showed you before. And there we have the first videos that I'm gonna show you in here. So let's just scroll up and let's just take a look at this video.
2 of these, 30 minutes before bed, and the 3 a.m. ceiling stare is gone.
And we also have another one.
I was a card-carrying member of the 3 a.m. club every single night. Then I tried these.
Just how cool is that? And if we scroll further, we can even see the UGC video scripts. So let me just do that. As you can see, we got the scripts as we requested. Then we got an email copy. So email 2, retargeting, email 3, the post purchase, the retention day, and we got the analytics stimulated, as you can see. So it's just complete blueprint in less than 2 minutes and you're moving at that speed that no agency could ever match. So actually just stop talking to your AI and give it a tools. And if you want to test it yourself, I put a link in my video description. This is the first link. So just insert your prompt, give it a try, connect the MCPs and show me what you got in the comments. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.